You've probably seen the flashy videos, make 10 grand a month with ATMs while you sleep. But after 20 years in the business, helping countless entrepreneurs start their ATM business, I'm going to give you something different. The unvarnished truth. No hype, no exaggeration. Just real numbers, real challenges, and real opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to start an ATM business in 2025. Most students use me because they can call me on the phone and get direct access to us and our team. Most of the time, somebody's looking at YouTube and they want some more information. We've been able to help these people not only from where they're at, meet them where they're at, but then help them grow either through one of our courses or just talking on the phone and helping them in their particular situation. We're not hype, but we are solution oriented. We just don't try to sell you a course or an ATM. We try to understand where you're at, meet your goals, and then elevate your company to the next level to help achieve those goals that you're trying to get to. One of our students started with one ATM that they bought off the internet. They didn't understand what they were doing. Then they found our videos, they started contacting us, we started helping that customer and growing their ATM business, and now they have over 8 ATMs, very successful business entrepreneurial, all started from basically one ATM that they were fumbling through the process, and we got them on the right track, and now they're successful. Another one of our students looked through other course creator content people out there on the internet. They were confused. They saw a lot of people out there on the internet trying to help them out. But they realized that we were the best ones because we were truthful. Wasn't a lot of hype, not a lot of smoke and mirrors. And when they called to find out, hey, how do we do it? They actually talked to me and they said, I can't believe I'm talking to you. And I said, yes, no problem. I said, we're a real company. We've been in the business for over 25 years. We can help you out, grow your business from 1 to however big you want to grow. We have customers that have almost 1,000 ATMs currently right now. 3 truths to the ATM business. Real investments in the ATM business is somewhere between $5,000 and $6,000. Number 2, you need to find quality locations. If the ATM does not provide enough income, then you need to move your ATM to a more profitable location. Don't just go out and buy another ATM. Make sure you hit your goals. Set those targets, or whatever that is. For us, it was always 100 transactions or $250 of profit every single month. If we didn't hit that threshold, then we decided to move that ATM to a more profitable ATM. Now, sometimes you say, well, Phil, I can't find that location. Then keep that ATM in that location until you can, and then move it to the next location. Just don't buy another ATM. And number 3, you need to develop a system to find new locations. Either that's through networking or somebody who already has contact with the locations that you're looking for. Either that's a liquor purveyor, a chip purveyor, something of that nature. You need to have a system to get new locations for you to put your ATMs into. Here's what this really means. To grow your ATM business, you really need good accounts. So the investment, let me break that down for you. Where do I get that $5,000 to $6,000? Here's where it is. $3,000 for the ATM, $2,000 for cash, $1,000 for a course or a wireless device or installation. You can scale some of that numbers down a little depending on how you want to go, but basically I would say it's a minimum of 5 up to as much as 6 per location. Types of locations. Number 1 on investment would be dispensaries. It's the number 1 performing location. Then you have truck stops, gentlemen's clubs, bars, restaurants, convenience stores, gas stations, laundromats, hotels, tattoo parlors. Then there's a bunch of other ancillary locations that you could place your ATM in that might make money, might not. But those are the basic locations that you're going to find. Now, here are some of the challenges. Dispensaries, great location, but they're almost always all cash, but from time to time, dispensary will put in a card system. Visa and MasterCard will bust those card systems down and they will go out. So you might kill it in the dispensary game. You're making money hand over fist. They'll put a card system down, take your transaction volume down 80%. Card system will go down, transaction volume go back up. And this could be a repetitive cycle to the dispensary decides, you know what, I'm not messing around with this card system anymore. I'm just going to do ATM only. So, but you might have to go through those ups and downs, but it's a great location if they don't have the card system. If they do, it's still a very good location, but you could go through those ups and downs. And then you have bars, which are another good location. If they're cash only bars or they have some form of gaming, always a great location, and a lot of bars are still cash only. Then the other locations, hotels, it has to be a high volume hotel, and then laundromats and convenience stores, always high volume. You're always looking for high volume. Service and maintenance. ATMs are a product that'll last anywhere from 10 to 15 years. That's right, 15 years. What's the last thing you ever owned that lasts 15 years? But ATMs will last 15 years We have a lot of customers who have ATMs that are still 15 years old, still making money today. But from time to time, every so many years, you will have to do some maintenance, basic maintenance to the ATM. Basic maintenance on an ATM is going to be rebuild your dispenser. That will happen about every 3 to 4 years. You will have to rebuild your dispenser. Sometimes you have a keypad to go out. For the most part, the big maintenance on an ATM is going to be cash. You got to make sure that your ATM is full of cash. If it's not full of cash, your ATM is not up and running, and you can't make any money if the ATM is down. Here's the bottom line. The ATM business can be incredibly profitable, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. With $6,000 investment, proper location selection, and professional management, you can build a sustainable business that generates consistent income. If it doesn't work out, you can recover most of your investment, your cash is still your cash, and the machine has a resale value. The real question isn't whether an ATM business works, it's whether you're willing to work the ATM business the right way. If you're interested in starting your own ATM business where you can earn between $250 and $1,500 passive income every single month, then click the link down below and start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from the ATM Mastermind Group page, where we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time.